and the snow is lying thickly on the ground. I put on my snow boots and go into the garden to open the cold frame to pick some chervil.